Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add captions to your videos in just a snap using CapCut. So first thing first, open your CapCut and then in here at the menu, you'll find auto captions here. So just click on these options on your CapCut and then select the video that you want to add the captions. Okay, I'm going to add into this video, click on add, then just select the sound source. I'm going to use from video, and then if you want to change the language, click on this blue option and you'll see a bunch of languages option. If you want to use templates from CapCut, you can choose in here. And if you want to have bilingual subtitles, you can also set in here, but it can only be used if you are on the CapCut Pro. I'm going to just click on start, and CapCut will create the auto caption in just seconds. Okay, just wait until it's done. Now the caption has been created, and let's see the result.
Who's got a question? Who would like to know anything? Anybody got a question?
You can see that the caption is pretty accurate, and I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.